how to fix your Xbox no sound issue in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check all the basics, meaning you want to make sure that your TV or monitor is not on and not muted. And you want to simply check volume on your TV. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your audio output. Simply press the Xbox button on your controller. And once you've done that, you want to simply go to Profile System, Settings, General, and Volume and Audio Output. You can also simply go ahead and check your HDMI connection. Make sure that the HDMI cable is securely connected to both your Xbox and TV receiver. If that is not the case, you can simply go ahead and make sure that your TV or AVR also is set to the correct input. You want to check your headset settings as well, or if nothing works, you want to simply try restarting your Xbox or even updating your controller and console by going to Settings, Systems, and Updates. If none of it works, simply go to support.xbox.com to contact their support team. I hope this video clarifies everything for you.